How to add longer videos on Facebook Messenger stories. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store in your Android. Now open the Facebook Messenger app in your phone. You can see the app will appear in front of you, and you can see at the bottom that there are different options like the chats, calls, people, and the stories. Now we are going to add the longer story on Facebook Messenger. Here we have to select the story. Click on the story. Here you can see there is an option of the add story. Just you have to click on add story. In this way the gallery of your Android will appear in front of you. Now you have to select any of the video which you want to post it that video in your Facebook Messenger story. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Like I am going to post this video on my story here like this. Click on share now. In this way that video will be uploaded to your story. You can see here like the video is being uploaded on story. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.